Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Ripple, on XRP. It's good to have you all back here. We're going to do a full update here on XRP. We'll talk about some trade opportunities as well. I have two trade opportunities in mind. Both are long. I mean, at this point of time, I still have a very much a long bias. And I think you should have that too. I mean, if you take a look at others, if you take a look at Bitcoin, at some point of time, we're going to top out, obviously. But at this point of time, we have not yet. And Bitcoin also just broke out with quite a lot of volume. So that's why I'm mostly looking for long opportunities on XRP as well. And there's two different setups that I'm looking at right now. One seems more probable than the other one. Although I must say that the other one is a little bit less risky, depending on the fundamentals. But that's what we're going to be talking about. Honestly, I mean, if you watch my video from yesterday on XRP, my analysis and my thoughts are exactly the same. Yesterday, my morning update on the XRP or my brief update in the middle of the day market updates, because right now for XRP, just not much is going on, right? Yesterday, we pulled back a little bit. That was to be expected. Yesterday, we did not really have the volume to break out of our main resistance level. Right now it's 2.41. In general, the main resistance level is between 2.41 and 2.45. But now most of the confluences are at 2.41, right? You can see the 7-day rolling VWAP right here at 2.41, which is also precisely the point of control of the entire price action from December until now. So that is quite relevant. And that's also, in general, that's the main setup I'm looking for, right? If we actually are able to get a breakout here above 2.41, 2.44, preferably with volume. The volume right now is pretty good. The volume overnight, well, no, this morning, to be fair, has been pretty good, but ultimately we want to see that volume after the breakout, right? Getting that volume right now is a good sign of activity, but not more than that. And I would say the open interest right now is also nothing to write home about. I mean, we want to see some leverage at least coming into the markets, and right now that's not the case. So will I buy XRP if we break above 2.41? Yes, but not if the open interest and the volume look the same, or not if the open interest looks the same as what it does right now. And then, but no, I mean, my thoughts on XRP here is a bit of a chaotic video, it seems like, but hopefully it still makes sense. Because the two main areas that XRP is sandwiched in between are 2.44 and 2.25. Now, normally, like the point of control, the most important level is at 2.41. We're below that. So normally I would be slightly bearish, all right? Because we were able to break above the POC. We hit the value area high right here at 2.6 and we dropped down below the POC. Structurally, that's not good. But given how the market looks, I still prefer a bullish breakout, and I would also say that's most likely when we're talking about a breakout out of this area that XRP is sandwiched in between. Now, I quickly wanted to look at RLUSD because I haven't done that in a while. And unfortunately, the market cap for RLUSD actually has dropped down a bit. So it seems like some RLUSD has been redeemed, which is fine. I mean, that's just how the system works, but no major updates from that. I will keep an eye on that. I'd prefer to see the market cap of RLUSD grow, but that's obviously a long-term project. But yeah, I mean, what I expect right now for XRP, given the fact that the open interest is still relatively stable, is just stability, right? Stability. And then at some point of time, if we actually do see the open interest scaling up, I expect a breakout. But there's no real indication of that. And the second setup that I wanted to speak about is that, Bitcoin can pull back pretty harsh in the scenario that XRP drops down below our main support at 2.26, 2.27, 2.25. If we drop down below that, reclaiming that level would be a good long opportunity as well. But this, I even though there's no real indication of a bullish breakout, I would say getting a bullish breakout from the current price is even more likely than getting a fake breakdown, right? So this is something to keep in mind. It's an interesting scenario, and it's definitely low risk. But there's no indication of that happening. So, keep it in mind. Don't pay too much attention to it. Just have price alerts at 2.28 and you'll be fine. But those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.